Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set PDF files to open directly in Google Chrome without downloading them first. This is super useful when you want to quickly view documents without cluttering your downloads folder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing your browser experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust everything from appearance to privacy controls. The settings page is your control center for customizing how Chrome behaves and processes different types of content. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several categories listed vertically. Find and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the important settings related to how Chrome handles your data, site permissions, and various security features. It's a crucial area for managing how your browser interacts with web content. Next, within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option labeled Site Settings. Click on it to continue. This is where Chrome lets you control what websites can and cannot do, including how different file types are handled when you encounter them online. Now scroll down a bit until you find additional content settings. Click on this option to expand more specific content controls. This section gives you granular control over how Chrome processes various types of files and media beyond just cookies and permissions. Within additional content settings, look for an option that says PDF documents and click on it. This specific setting determines exactly how Chrome handles PDF files whenever you click on a PDF link or try to open one from a website. At this point, you'll notice that the radio button next to Download PDFs is currently selected. This means that every time you encounter a PDF file online, Chrome automatically downloads it to your computer instead of displaying it in the browser window. To change this behavior, simply click the radio button next to Open PDFs in Chrome instead. By selecting this option, Chrome will now display PDF files directly in a new tab using its built-in PDF viewer, allowing you to read documents immediately without saving them to your device first. And that's it! You've successfully configured Chrome to open PDF files in the browser instead of downloading them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.